The next problem is set up in a way where it tells you the given angle measures here for quadrilateral BKLM. So if you labeled that BKLM, again in consecutive order, either clockwise or counterclockwise, your measurements are here. In this version or form, it's not necessarily going to matter which one is labeled where, but as you do enter these, the way that you draw your figures will matter in future problems. And so be careful with it. If I specifically tell you, like, be careful how you draw this, make sure you take note of that. But here I'm going to have my total sum of all these, so and I'm going to set it equal to 360 degrees. So here when it asks what's the sum of the interior angles for this, the answer will be 360 degrees. Okay, and then given these expressions, you can find what x is. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my calculator, use the solve feature, type each of those expressions into my equation. Set it equal to 360 and solve for x. Now, it may or may not be a fraction in this case, or a whole number. In this case, we get a fraction, 329 over 30. Okay, or if you entered it as a decimal, you get about 10.97. And make sure you use your exact answer anytime you do calculations. The rounding only happens when you enter it from the calculator to the entry. So if you wanted to find what k was, we can take the expression for k, 5x plus 9. And I'm going to use the width key. Have we talked about the width key yet? The width key is this vertical bar on the calculator next to the 7. I'm going to write my expression, 5x plus 9, use the width key. It tells you, or it tells the calculator, you're going to take the expression in front of it, and you're going to evaluate it with whatever the x value is that follows. So I'm going to say x is equal to, and actually I'm going to go ahead and leave that because I'm just going to copy this whole thing that already has the x equal to, and it has the exact value. So when I enter that, it will give me my measurement, which is 63.83 approximately. Oops. And that would be my other portions for this question.